Hi everyone. I just wanted to go through a simple process that you might find helpful. On your home computers, I know it's not this way in the lab, but on our home computers, you do have an option inside of Epic Games to make backups of your projects that you have. Like, so these are all my projects. I have quite a few. I'm playing a lot. So if I wanted to make a backup, I can just easily right click on one of these and say clone, and it'll give me the options, and so I can create a clone of it. And we might need to do extra work for it, but what that does is, so if you want to make significant changes but you like the way this one works, right? So this is basically if you did last week's project and you that's the one you turned in, but you want to make further changes to it. So now we can be on collector 2 instead of collector, and we can make changes to that one going forward so that we still have this one in the same state that we turned it in last week, or just as a backup, and so that we know we could, if we're going to be making significant changes or whatever going forward, having this backup. So that's one way to do it. Another way to do it would be to go into the browse, like File Explorer. If you go into File Explorer and you see where you have all of your projects located. So this is also where you could easily get rid of old projects that you don't need anymore. And so say I wanted to make another copy of this. I can just copy here, and you see how it added the name. So we'll just make this one 3. And so now I have a full copy of it. Granted, you have to be careful because these are pretty big directories, and making sure that you still have, that you're not taking up too much space. So just a quick thing of how to make backups and have multiple versions of your files.